Yeah, today we want to introduce you the mineral test machine EDX3000H. Okay, this machine with a vacuum pump attached with the machine. You connect the vacuum pump here, and this connect the power and connect the computer Ethernet port. Okay, here is the machine. First, let us open the sample chamber. Here is pressed powder, pressed mineral powder. Okay, it's 32 mm diameter. Okay, put it here. Okay, now let's go to the software. Click the software, very simple. Click start and you put the name, supplier, you put the information we want. The testing times, repeat the testing. Now we test one time. Okay, confirm. Okay, now it test. The testing time is 100 seconds, but the 100 seconds we preset. So the machine first, actually the machine real working time is 200 seconds. The first 100 seconds is for the vacuum pump to let the sample chamber vacuum. The second 100 time is testing. Now let's have a fast scan for the software menu. Okay, here are the elements we are going to test. Okay, let's now see the vacuum. Now the vacuum is around 6,600 par, and we need the 100 seconds later we need to control the vacuum to about to the 100.6 par. Still have 40 seconds left. Let's wait. Okay, 3 seconds, 1 second left. Okay, now we can hear the vacuum pump noise. Here we can see the vacuum now goes to, now adjust the vacuum. Okay, now the vacuum goes to 106 kPa. It's okay to test. So the machine now goes to test. The testing time, as our experience, we preset 100 seconds, but in the real test it's 200 seconds because the first 100 seconds for vacuum to let the machine chamber sample chamber to be vacuum, and then test 100 seconds. So totally 200 seconds for the whole testing time. Okay, still 55 seconds left. Okay, 1 second left. Okay, result come. Here we can see the result. And automatically here we ask you save. So we confirm, and then the result will saved. We can see the testing report. And here we can see we have statistics. This is, for example, you test the 10 times to see the machine's stability. So the testing finished. We open the sample chamber to find the pressed mineral sample. This is a pressed mineral sample. This is the powder in the cup. For test the right elements in the mineral, we should press the machine. In this case, because the machine should work in the vacuum status, so if use the powder, then we are split. So must use the pressed sample. If you no need to focus on the right elements, then you can use the powder, also okay, because at that time no need to use vacuum. We can preset here. This 100 seconds is for vacuum. This 100 is for the test. We can preset. We can choose. Depend on you want to test the right element or not. Okay, that's it. Thank you.